Konnichiwa guys, so today we will be studying about GI system and the questions that come in this one. So functional organization parts of GI, this comes under anatomy, so we'll focus on physiology. So innervations of GI tract, these are sympathetic, parasympathetic and enteric nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system is generally inhibitory via noradrenergic fibers. Noradrenergic originate from celiac, superior and inferior mesenteric ganglion, ganglia, and sympathetic stimulation results the inhibition of motor activity, it results in relaxation of GI tract and stimulation of contraction sphincters and inhibition of GI secretions. It does three things: inhibitory and contraction, inhibitory to the GI secretions and inhibitory to the motor activity, resulting in GI relaxation. Now, parasympathetic innervations is via vagus nerve, which innervates GI tract from oral cavity up to the transverse colon. This is important. Parasympathetic innervations via vagus nerve and pelvic nerves. Vagus nerve does to transverse colon, whereas pelvic does from onwards transverse colon. Now, parasympathetic fibers are cholinergic and excitatory. Accumulation, increase motility and exocrine stimulation of GI tract. Enteric nervous system is the intrinsic nervous system of the GI tract. This includes myenteric and submucosal nerve plexus in the GI tract. Enteric consists of myenteric and submucosal. So this is the idea. Sympathetic and parasympathetic, these are postganglionic because the mainly postganglionic, so these enter the myenteric plexus and submucosal plexus. Submucosal plexus is just below the mucosa, muscularis mucosa, and myenteric plexus lies between the longitudinal muscle and circular muscle. Okay, so ANS is also known as third division of ANS. ENS is independent of automatic control. ENS acts as mini brain of the gut. neurotransmitters are acetylcholine, VIP, CONO. Now the meandric plexus is sensory in nature, whereas over or back, also known as submucosal plexus, is motor function. Just remember that I am sensitive, that therefore I am sensory. From on or back, you will remember from or back, you will remember the AM motor. Now there is some notes I have written. Electrical activity. Electrical activity in small intestine, excited by almost continuous low intrinsic electrical activity, rhythmical, determine the frequency of slow waves. There are slow and spike waves. These are due to intestinal cells of Kajal, electrical pacemaker of small muscle. These are the undilating changes in RNP, and these are not action potentials. Only cause sodium. The only cause because of sodium involved. Now the spikes. These are about -40 millivolt. And cause because of both sodium and calcium channels. Sodium last longer as compared to the action potential in the nerves. These are slow, these are spikes, right? These are slow. There is a stretch acetylcholine parasympathetic. This is due to norepinephrine sympathetic. Spike is due to sympathetic stimulation, and slow is due to parasympathetic stimulation. Which frequency is 3 in stomach, 12 at duodenum, and then decreases. GI regulation, neural regulation, hormonal regulation. Neural is intrinsic neural, extrinsic and reflex. Hormonal is intrinsic hormone, extrinsic cortisol, thyroxine. intestinal hormones are important. Gastrin hormones of gastrin family. Source: while writing about hormones, we write hormone name, source, their sort of structure, and their metabolism, function, and regulation. There should be first of the thing you have to write is mechanism of action, their regulation, their function, and their source and structure if possible.